Good morning, everybody. It's a wee bit chilly here in southern Indiana. I think it's about 30 degrees out here. There's still frost on the ground, so I won't be harvesting any herbs and medicinal plants right now. But I did want to point out and show you the difference between three plants that all have medicinal properties that more than likely you could find in your yard. So the first one, I noticed this when I was looking for wild violets, which that right there is a wild violet. I like to pick those for tea, and they make a great violet jelly. But this plant right here looks very similar. This is called Creeping Charlie ground ivy. It has like these little purple flowers and these little leaves that look like this. Hi, Penny. Penny would like to say hi. These are not native. They were brought over by the Europeans because they're very high in vitamin C. So they were brought over to treat scurvy, essentially. But this plant is a great, it's antibacterial, antifungal. I believe it even says anti-cancer. But it can be used for asthma, bronchitis, colds, very great for respiratory aid, even helps with some digestion, and I believe it's a diuretic. So, but it's definitely good for the respiratory if you're ill. So that is one that to me looks similar to the wild violet that I wanted to cover, and it's very beneficial. I actually suffer from asthma, so I will be grabbing some of that up later on today after the sun comes out, the frost is gone. Gosh, Penny, you're just so lovable today. Alright, so let's move on, and I'm going to show you guys. I gotta go over here because I can't find anywhere else. We had a bunch of it in our garden area, which as you can see we have tilled recently. So the next two I'm going to talk about are two types of dead nettles. One is henbit and the other is purple dead nettle. They look very similar, so I'm going to try to show you the difference. So this right here is henbit. It is a great support for your joints. If you have arthritis, any type of pain associated with that, this is going to be a great medicinal herb for that. So I'm going to actually pick this one just so that I can bring it over to the purple dead nettle, because I don't see any purple dead nettle near it, so that you guys can see the difference. But someone pointed out to me the other day that the flower is like a hen sitting in the nest, and that's how you remember henbit, which it kind of does look like a nest. So let's go over here. Come on, Penny. To the purple dead nettle. I think I saw some over here. Okay, maybe not. I know there's some over here. Which henbit and dead nettle, purple dead nettle, are also some of the first, besides the flowering trees, some of the first for pollinators. So I don't like to pick them immediately. And obviously you don't want to forage at all. So this is purple dead nettle. As you can see, the difference in the leaves. This one definitely looks like the little nest, and then this one has similar purple flowers, but the leaves are definitely different, and these top leaves will turn purple the more mature Penny, the more mature the plant gets. This one has already started to turn a little bit, if you can see that. Purple dead nettle is going to be beneficial for anxiety. I'm sorry, not anxiety. Allergies. And it can also be used as a poultice for wounds. So any cuts, scrapes, bleeding, that type of thing. There's some over here. You can make a poultice and put it on your wounds. See, this one's pretty good. At the top there, it's turned the purplish red kind of color. So that is the difference. Once you see them side by side, then it's easy to identify them and know what's what. But those are definitely 3 medicinal plants that could be in your yard that you can use for your medicines and